Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your Earbuds TOZO Tonal Dots on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and then go to the search at the right bottom. Then click at the search line at the top, and if you have iOS 26 at the bottom, and write TOZO. Now search, and we need to install this application, what calls TOZO Tech Around You. Now open it. If you need notification, click allow. If you don't need it, click do not allow. Then have a read and agree. Now you can sign in into your account or create a new one, or you can skip it by click at the skip button at the right top. After you wrote your email, click I have a read and log in, but I'm going to skip it. Now click allow, and we did it. In the next video I'm going to show you how to add these earbuds to the application, so if you don't know how to do this, you can check that video at this channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!